Hey everyone!
Sawadee Krap!
So you know we both love food, and we really love Thai food.
We love it so much we took a cooking class on a farm.
An organic farm.
We're gonna break down the entire day for you now.
Yeah, from the pickup to going to the market to going to the farm and then down to the business of cooking some beautiful delicacies for you.
That's right.
That's right. We were the first ones to be picked up, so it took about half an hour to pick up the rest of the group. It was 12 people, including us. Pretty good group size.
First stop was the local market, about 15 minutes away. There was a lot of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Our instructor gave us a short lesson on the ingredients, spices, and sauces. Then we had some free time to walk around, explore, and pick up coffee.
We finished our coffee in the car and 20 minutes later arrived at the farm. Getting off the van, the first thing you instantly notice is the peace and nature that replaced the hustle and bustle of the city. No noise, no traffic, just birds and banana trees. I could already smell the beautiful food that we were going to be making.
First, we were given a tour of their organic farm. We learned more about herbs, spices, vegetables that we were going to use in our dishes. We were able to taste and smell all the ingredients. It was quite interesting.
Back to the kitchen. We cooked 4 dishes each. We picked different dishes from each category so we can have more variety between us to cook and eat.
First part was the appetizers, soup and a noodle dish. We cooked tom yum with shrimps. It's a hot and sour soup with some vegetables, and a coconut milk soup called tom kha.
Then we made spring rolls and pad see ew. It's similar to pad thai, but with big fat noodles. Now, really, I think that's our favorite. All done. It was time to eat.
All dishes turned out great.
Okay, we just finished 2 appetizers and we're already stuffed.
Yeah, I didn't know we will be so full, and we still have two more dishes to cook.
Yeah, but it tasted so good.
Maybe it's the fresh ingredients from the farm. You know how the teacher was saying, up to you for the chili?
Yeah, it was like, yeah, make it as spicy as you want.
Yeah.
And guess who went all spicy?
This one, Thai spicy.
So yeah, it's about not overdoing it. You just want to get it just right. but you need it for that authentic taste.
Yeah, you can still feel the chili on the lips.
Tingling on your tongue, burning your lips,
Yeah,
but it all tastes so good.
maybe a little bit spicy for me, but I think it was good for you.
You're getting used to it.
A little bit. Need more practice.
So after a short break, we're back to the kitchen. For the main dishes, we cooked red curry and khao soy. Khao soy's always been one of our favorites, and actually cooking it and learning all the little ins and outs made it that much special.
But first, we had to make a curry paste from scratch. Pounding all the spices together, it was a lot of manual labor. And for desserts, we made mango sticky rice and banana in a coconut milk. It was time to taste our dishes again. They were all delicious.
Yeah, we were stuffed. That was a lot of food. We left full, happy, and honestly a little sad it was over.
Would we be able to cook this at home?
I don't know, but we were given all the recipes so we can try. And I think we have a little bit of past experience, so yeah, I think we can.
So, would we recommend taking a cooking class in Chiang Mai?
Oh, for sure. If you're coming to Chiang Mai, put this on the top of your list.
Yeah, we had such an incredible day and we learned some stuff
So
too.
we took the class with Thai Farm Cooking School, and we'll put the link in the description below.
Yeah, there's a lot of school in Chiang Mai. There's some that offer cooking classes within the city. There's some that take you to the farm, like this one. Or there's some school that offer both. And to be honest, like it doesn't matter what you choose, which school. I think all of them are pretty much not the same, but similar. And you'll have such an incredible time, and you'll learn some stuff as well.
Yeah, and it's so worth, getting out of the city, get away from the pollution, from the noise, from all the traffic, walk through their beautiful gardens, see the fresh herbs and spices that they have, and cook in the open air. It's just really worth it.
Yeah, definitely try the farm experience. Have you guys tried any cooking school in Chiang Mai or Thailand? Do you have a favorite dish? Let us know.
And we'll see you next time.
See you!